Send me your store link on Instagram and I'm gonna analyze your store for free and tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, what I think about the products inside of the store, and what I would change up if I would be you. I have seen so many people struggling with this preparation process. They think that the problem they have is that the Facebook ads are not working or something on Facebook is wrong, when in reality, they just messed up in the first place. They either mess up with selecting a terrible product or doing complete bullshit on the store in terms of either way too much effort but not putting in proper work into like upselling and optimizing the conversion rate, or not putting in any effort and it's also too little, and then basically nothing really converts. So what I actually decided to do is give this free store analysis where I'm just gonna look over everything you have on the store. I'm gonna be very, very honest and not sugarcoat anything, all right? If I don't like something, I'm gonna tell you this is bullshit. If I like something, I'm gonna tell you it's great. So I think this is gonna be very valuable. So I'm gonna link my Instagram somewhere here. You can go there, send me your store link, and just write the words store review. You're gonna send me the link, write the word store review, and I'm gonna personally check it out. I might even at some point do a video about me roasting one of those stores and checking them out and telling you what I don't like about it or what I like about them. So obviously I'm not gonna post your store without your consent on YouTube. I'm gonna ask first if you're okay with that, and if no, we're just gonna pick another one, okay? So if you actually wanna do that, DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna link my Instagram in the comments below this video, and it's also gonna be linked somewhere here. So just go there and we're gonna talk there further.